Welcome to Cultivating an Information Literate Learner. Cultivating an information literate learner is becoming harder as the world progresses digitally. In the 21st century, information is at the palm of everyone's hand. Anyone can create information, and anyone can read it across the globe. The question arises then, how do we as educators teach our students to use credible and reliable information? What set of skills will allow them to progress beyond the four walls of a classroom, propel themselves forward in a professional setting? Who, what, when, where, how, and why? These are the questions that our learners should be asking as they conduct their research. This will help our students develop in research and information fluency. Who? A student should be able to analyze who so that they can gain knowledge of the background of the author. What are their credentials? Where do they come from? In addition, they should also be able to analyze the audience the author has intended the information for. Where should they come from? What should their credentials be? What? A student also needs to be able to identify what other sources the author used, if any. They should analyze where they are noted by the author. This will aid the learner in conducting a more thorough research of what is presented. When? A student should analyze the time around which the information was created and released. What was going on around the person locally, nationally, and globally? This can provide further clarification when we begin to analyze why. Where? Where did the author post this information? Was it published using a social media site or an information database? Is the site used more for academic, social, or recreational purposes? How? A student should also analyze how they apply what they've learned. How does the information that they've researched affect their previous knowledge? How does the information that they've researched affect the audience's previous knowledge? Why? Lastly, a student should be able to analyze why the author created the information. What is the benefit behind it? What is the main idea or the importance that the author is trying to portray? Is the application of this information needed? Each of these 6 questions will allow our learners to flourish as they begin to conduct research and become fluent in analyzing information.